Morning guys, not such a nice day today. I thought I'd do a little update on how our garden is doing. So we've got our potatoes there. We've already had one harvest of potatoes which I forgot to actually film. But you can see the next lot isn't far off. These are probably ready to come out soon. And we got some new ones that have gone in. Another new bag there. And also we've got tomatoes. Coming up quite good now. That one's getting quite big as well. And can't remember what's gone in there. I know some have got planted in there. But we've also trying to get some strawberries to roots, which do seem to actually be working. And then we have some garlic going that are like rooting. See, they've got some roots coming. So once they're rooted, we split them and plant them. They've got some shoots coming as well. That one there. Because the last lot of garlic we had, the darling little pigeons killed them off.